This is U.S. Air Force Base, Osan Air Force Base. Here we have ACC commander, U.S. Air Force 3-star general is commanding here. And also AFOC, Air Force Operations Command Commander, 3-star general, Korean Air Force, general command his Air Force. Next one, U.S. Gunsan Air Force Base, UGT Web. From the west UGT Web, it coming out from west to east. So 4 lines are on the U.S. Air Force Base, and 1 line above is going to the east. In conclusion, the UGT Web went all the generals command post. So it is a very dangerous situation. Whenever Kim Jong-un decided to attack, UGT attack, the situation will be complete within some minutes. Because of that, I am notifying this dangerous situation to the world, the free world, to prevent North Korean Kim Jong-un's surprise attack. And the question is, since 1990, why we couldn't find the 5th, 6th, 7th UGT? That is our people's question. Actually, it's very hard to detect 30 meter, 40 meter, or 50 meter, even 100 meter down the ground to detect the 2.5 meter diameter tunnel, 3 meter diameter tunnel, and 4.5 meter diameter tunnel. It's very difficult to detect the tunnel. Even though there was some chances to detect the tunnels, I will show 4 prime cases we almost detect, but the government buried the 5th possible UGT in the final stage.